Here's something new coming to downtown Binghamton. Polish Bistro European Kitchen at 163 Washington Street. A lot of work has gone into preparing this space. It's just off Court Street near the main entrance to the Metro Center. And the plan is to open very soon. The dining area is ready. The piano, I won't play for you, not today. Got more seating over here. There's a bar, and out here is a brand new kitchen. All the kitchen equipment has been installed just in the last few weeks, so it is something that it really is a passion project for Daniel. There's some of the items on the initial menu. So the plan at this point would be to have the Polish Bistro European Kitchen open by the end of January. So it'll be a new option for people here in downtown Binghamton. It's an amazing transformation. I saw this place before the work began, and it's been totally transformed. It's looking great. I'm Bob Joseph in downtown Binghamton for WNBF News.